Not impressive, eh? Well, let's do it again, but this time directly onto bitumen. Okay, 3, 2, 1, drop. Whoa! Whoa! Crikey! That can't have survived, there's no way. Got a small scratch, bit of a crack on the bottom, but she's all good. Oi, Cal, you got a copy?
Yeah, mate, loud and clear.
This right here is the Uniden XTRAK 50 Pro, and if it can handle what we've just done, I guarantee it'll handle anything you're going to throw at it. She's fully dust and waterproof, so you can use it not only in the four-wheel drive, but take it out in the boat with you. She's small but powerful, 5 watts of power, meaning you're going to get around that 17 kilometres worth of range out of this thing. Plus, this is a feature I love. It's got an instant replay button, which means
Yeah, mate, loud and clear.
you'll never miss a thing. To grab one of these bomb-proof units for yourself, you know where to go, uniden.com.au.